Good morning, Clear Bra, North Dallas, 2021 BMW M4 competition in Stealth, XPEL Stealth film. Full car, obviously, and we'll take a trip around this guy to show you the wrap on this. So, again, when we do these wraps, paying close attention to getting around all these edges. Wrapping everything around nice and tight. Nice and tight. In this, all the clear stuff was done in a clear XPEL Ultimate Plus. Badges were removed to get no lines. Don't need them. All they do is collect dirt. Coming around here again, wrapping in the doors. Coming around the full quarter. No seaming anywhere in the corner. All one full piece. The roof pan, all done in one section, obviously. Our mirrors all done with the clear. That door all wrapped in fully. Looking really good. Fenders, hood, fender, all wrapped in. No lines on any of the sides. Coming into the doors as well. And then our hood. Nice little design here by BMW. I think it's kind of emulating the old Charger. Don't hate me for saying that, but I think the front end's kind of looking like a Charger from maybe late 2000s, early 2010, 11, I don't know. But that indentation in the hood's kind of a little funny looking. Grill, a lot of people say they don't care for it. I think it's all right. It's a step in a bold direction, but not bad. And there it is, man. A great car. M4 competition in stealth white. Looking super. And lots of time this will, for a lot of time it'll look good. We put a nice 5-year ceramic over that to keep it nice and slick and healthy. Any questions, clearbranorthdallas.com. You can also reach us at 940-703-8301 or 214-414-3809, extension 0. And we'd be happy to answer any questions for you about any of the cars that we do. Ram truck back there, another Beamer there, Audi, some kind of Lexus way over on that side, and then a stealth wrap on a, what is that guy, Tesla Y. So whatever you guys need, be happy to get it done for you. I've been doing this a long time, and we like to take the time to get it done right. And if you need us, let us know. Take care. clearbranorthdallas.com.